Perennial lavender. Lavender is not just a pretty flower. This plant is the definition of a soothing powerhouse. Lavender angustifolia is a Latin name for the species, and sounds like a Harry Potter scheme. Now you may be thinking, why should you love this plant just as much as I do? Because it's packed with naturally healing compounds, such as linalool and linaloyl acetate. This is the magic of lavender. With its uses, it can prove to be a de-stressor. While lavender also helps some to sleep better and eases headaches. Lavender is known to be one of the most widely used plants for healing purposes. But let it be known, it's also a superstar when it comes to the scent uses, just simply for the aroma it possesses. So if you're a tea lover, sip on a nice lavender tea, soothing your nerves before work, also soothing your heart rate and muscles. Lavender, to many global regions, is a perennial plant, but native to the Mediterranean region. But the coolest fact about lavender is that it will certainly bring pollinators right into your yard, and that you can enjoy lavender as a lemonade. An exhilarating fact about it is that when you grow it in your garden, you barely even have to water it. Great, so now let's talk about growing it for yourself. First of all, lavender loves ample lighting, so make sure your shrub is planted in a location that receives at least 6 hours of sun. Secondly, lavender is very susceptible to root rot, so be careful to plant it with a well-drained soil or on a slight slope if you can, and do not overwater them. Thirdly, it likes a slightly alkaline soil, but more neutral than anything.